How to post comment on Instagram story in just a few easy steps. First, open the Instagram app on your phone and log in. At the top of your feed, you'll see round icons of people's profiles. These are their stories. Tap on the one of the person whose story you want to comment on. When you're watching their story, look for a speech bubble or comment icon on the left side of the screen. It's near where you can type. Click on that icon to open a place where you can type your comment. Now, type what you want to say in the box that pops up. Just make sure your comment is nice and related to their story, since everyone can see it. When you're done typing, hit send or tap the arrow icon to post your comment. Just a heads up, only people who follow each other can comment on stories, so it keeps things private and helps avoid random comments. Your comment will stay visible for 24 hours, just like the story itself, unless the person saves it as a highlight. Have fun chatting with your friends on their stories. Thank you so much for watching this video. Subscribe.